Today's video is sponsored by Birch Living. More on them later. Join me for a few days in my life where I aim to live well. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. The definition of living well for me changes depending on what stage of life I'm in. Right now, living well for me is about slowing down, making time for pleasurable things, and nourishing and taking care of myself and my family. Ben and I had a really fun night out seeing Muse, one of our favorite bands, at the Staples Center in Los Angeles. Actually, it's called the Crypto.com Arena now, which I cannot get used to. It was such a good concert. We had great seats, as close as we could get without being in the standing only section.
Feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the
Evanescence went on before Muse and gave a beautiful performance. And then, of course, we were loving every minute of when Muse came on. Matt Bellamy and the band are such amazing performers. It's good to have a night out.
I swear that I'll stay here with you.
As you know, I've been working to incorporate different kinds of exercise into my day. I mainly do it all from home. I jump on the rebounder several times a week, but now that it's getting warmer, I like to go on walks too. Some days I feel like doing other things, so I'll do a morning stretch session or a Pilates session. There are so many resources for people who want to work out at home. I either use the exercises on my SmartScale app, or I'll find a free one on YouTube. I like Sana Vlut's Pilates workouts or Roberta's Gym YouTube channel, which actually uses an animation exercise instructor, which is kind of strange, but it's also really good. I'll leave all the channels and resources down below, so you can check them out for yourself. Of course, I like to lead an active lifestyle and incorporate exercise into my everyday life, but it also feels good to find workouts that are pleasurable for me to do, because I'm trying to build muscle mass and increase my basal metabolic rate for prime health. I love exercising outside and breathing in the fresh air while I do it. If you have any at-home exercise recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. And now I'm going to make a yummy chicken feta pasta for you. This is a delicious meal you can make in under 30 minutes. I'm sautéing some chicken tenders I chopped up and simultaneously boiling the penne pasta on the stove. And now I'm going to make the sauce. In a blender, I place some feta cheese, heavy cream, and the juice of 1 lemon. Chopped parsley, minced garlic, salt and pepper, and blend until creamy. I add a bit of cooking water from the pasta to make it more liquidy, and also a bit more seasoning. Once the pasta is cooked and drained, I add the cooked chicken and pour the delicious Feta sauce on top. Then I add lots of spinach and cherry tomatoes and continue to saute until the spinach has cooked down. Then I garnish it with more parsley. The creamy Feta sauce is so delicious here. And watch out, because when you put your fork into those cherry tomatoes, they will totally squirt you. I'm going to take a minute to tell you about Birch Living, who have kindly sponsored today's video. Their Memorial Day sale starts May 15th, where they will be offering 25% off, so don't forget to mark your calendars for that. Birch makes mattresses and sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Their non-toxic mattresses are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that was made with organic and natural materials, because I know when we sleep on this mattress, it's made with raw materials sourced straight from nature, which are both comfortable and durable. In addition to being a better mattress for me, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably. With your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. The best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the United States. It comes rolled up in a box and is super easy to set up. I did this all by myself. I love my Birch mattress, and I think that you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. As I mentioned, their Memorial Day sale starts May 15th, though you can always go to birchliving.com/daily to get 20% off. Thank you so much to Birch for sponsoring today's video. Spring is bursting with life here in Southern California. My favorite part of spring is, of course, when the flowers emerge. I like to meditate on their charm and be in their presence as much as possible. Of course, a cut flower bouquet of multicolor roses, even in something as simple as a mason jar, can bring me so much happiness. This little jar sits on our kitchen table. The roses are so fragrant, and they're pretty, like candied jewels. I also like going outside and looking at the different varieties of flowers. They have so much character, almost a personality of their own. In their prime, they exude a calm beauty. Taking time to notice the flowers and appreciate them is a meditation on living well for me. It's a relaxed weekend morning here, and I'm dishing up brunch for the family. I normally have a strict morning routine on the weekdays, but on the weekends, I like to relax it a little, hanging out in my pajamas, making some delicious food. Something I'm really working on is conscious relaxation, and often I must weave that into my daily actions. So, for example, I need to make breakfast for everyone today, so instead of rushing to do so, I'm consciously slowing down, making things pretty, breathing deeply, truly pondering what I want to serve, etc. Actually, I thought about what I wanted to serve last night because I made this French bread casserole the night before, and now I can just pop it in the oven to cook. I already shared this recipe in a previous video, so I'll find that and put it in the iCard above. To go with the French bread casserole, I made a nice tropical fruit salad with pear, banana, mango, and orange. The crisp sweetness of this casserole is so satisfying. I hope you enjoyed these explorations into living well. Thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring. As I mentioned, their Memorial Day sale starts May 15th, though you can always go to birchliving.com/daily for 20% off. Thank you for watching today. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.